side view already, so I'm going to switch. We're going to switch to side view. I got this at the Mauer Woodstock,
Myself, Hemant Kumar from Paturi, Samastipur, Bihar. Currently, I am assistant teacher at Upgraded High School, Mohammadganj, Palamu, Jharkhand. I especially teach English subject. The COVID-19 has changed the world of education and making decisions about the virtual classroom directly impacts on your success as an educator during this time. In my opinion, the classroom is the real touchable place to teach and to learn. It is the place where teacher engage students, encourage participation from the entire class, and expand on the thought and the ideas raised by students. This interaction cannot be duplicated in virtual classroom. Virtual classroom requires computer internet access, which might cannot be handed to everyone. An internet service provider is a company that provides internet access. However, there are three levels of ISP: Tier 1, Tier 2 and Tier 3. All three play an important role in providing internet access. In my opinion, slow internet speed and connectivity are main factors, especially in rural areas who are conducting online classes for thousands of students in the wake up of the nationwide coronavirus lockdown. On the impact of COVID-19 on education has noted that around 32 crore students in India have been affected by this. The gross enrollment ratio in higher education has increased from 25.8% in 2017-18 to 26.3% in 2018-19, while in absolute terms the enrollment increased from 3.66 crore to 3.74 crore students, according to All India Survey on Higher Education. According to the report, Sikkim topped the list with the GER of 53.9%, followed by Chandigarh 50.6%, and Tamil Nadu is 49%, is in third position. In my opinion, virtual class is a special kind of methodology and not all teachers are good at it. Suddenly, all of the students are not ready to face-to-face classes to online learning. Thus, most of the teachers are conducting lectures on video platforms such as Zoom, which may not be online, which learning is especially designed for the purpose. Schools are ready to accept a virtual class and its equipment to improvement of education from home and encourage students to utilize this new technology. In my opinion, virtual class in school days will help in higher education because they are familiarized to digital development and its equipment. They will feel confident if they are using virtual classes in school level, but school should not prescribe to students for digital equipment if they have not. It may be shifted to other students or group for study. My work has changed, increased due to lockdown because every school is delivered online education. Thus, I have to prepare content and make YouTube classes by myself and consult students physically all day and solve the problem what they have. I developed social friendly environment between students. This take most of time, but I enjoy and feel new things to develop in learning system. Due to COVID-19, education system has totally changed from traditional classroom to virtual classroom, so that my planning has changed for online classes. I am always trying to finding best online teaching platform. I use Diksha, the teacher app, Sampark Baithak. These applications are very useful for us, and this application has changed my teaching methodology. Thank you.